Okay, today's video is regarding the barcode. So I live in Canada, and once you receive your items, like once you get your items that you want to sell, especially on Amazon or if you are selling it in store, you have to have barcode for your single items. Every item you sell, they have to have different barcodes. So to get the barcodes, if you live in Canada, you have to get your barcodes through GS1 Canada. I know there are so many websites that sell like different kind of barcodes, but those barcodes are not eligible. In a sense, saying eligible is like, for example, if you are selling on Amazon, and if Amazon find out they are not generic, like they have to have those numbers, those UPC numbers, they have to represent your company. So when Amazon check those numbers, they won't represent your company because those UPCs are like second-hand UPCs and they would be showing some other company. So it is better to buy a brand new barcode for your company, especially if you want to sell your products for the long term without any hassle. Okay, so the first thing to do is this website that you see here. It is called the GS1 Canada website. So to get access here, you have to have a membership. And to get a membership, you have to contact GS1 Canada through this website and have access for it. And once you get access, they will ask you to pay $500. Yes, it's $500. So that $500 will give you access to go to this website and also to generate 100 UPC codes. If you are planning to have more than 100 barcodes, it's better to extend it for the next one. Me, I started with the 100 barcodes and I paid just $500. And you have to renew it every year if you want to continue your business, like if you want to keep those barcodes. All right, so let's go and start how this thing works. The first thing you do is, here I put an example. I go to the GS1 Canada site and I will start generating a barcode for those items. And one thing I want to tell you about barcode is every sizes. For example, if you carry small, medium, large, XL sizes, you have to have different barcodes for each of the sizes. Yes, that means we need 5. If we sell like small to XL, that means we need 5 different UPC codes. So for example, let's say this one is for a small size jacket. It's just a sweater. Okay, so what we do is, okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that once you register with GS1 Canada, GS1 Canada will provide you with 9-digit prefix. Those 9 digits represent your company name. So let's go start generating the barcodes using those prefixes. So you click here. Kind of slow, sorry about that. So you go over here and you click start creating your barcode now, and it will bring you to this page, and we click on the check digit calculator. Okay, so now what we do here is, in Canada the UPC codes are like 12 digits, so we're gonna use the GTAN 12. So here we have 9-digit prefix that are provided by GS1 Canada to us, representing our company. So we write those ones first, the 9-digit numbers. Then let me check, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So I just inserted the 9 digits, the prefix. Now I go to my spreadsheet and I just grab my item number. My item number that I gave is 82. You can give any numbers that you want for your items. So my item number is number 82. And I go here and write 82. So now it has 11 digits already. now we are missing one more digit. To get that extra digit, this page will calculate it for us and provide us that number. So what we do is click calculate. As you see, it generates number 4 over here. So now this one has 12 digit number. So this number is UPC code, or we call it GTIN. So we're gonna copy this and bring it to our Excel, and we can paste it here. So this is a barcode. When you click it here, it will show you the full number here, the 12 digit. So this number is a barcode that belongs to the girl's sweater for small sizes only. So if you have medium, large, XL, 2XL, you have to generate another barcodes. Also, maybe you have item that's differentiated by colors. You have to have different barcodes for all those colors. Like if you have red, for red color, you have to have one barcode. For the rest of them also have one. They have to have different barcodes. Oh, sorry. So let's create another one for maybe large size or medium size. Let's do for medium size. Copy, paste, medium. Maybe let's do for large. For large, I think I have this one, 115. Let's give it a number, item number 84, for example. So for item number 84, it represents large sweaters. So let's go and generate a barcode for large sizes. So we come here, we delete out what we used earlier here. And as I said earlier, first we put or insert our prefix, the 9 digit. Then the next 2 digits are our item numbers that we gathered from Excel. So item number 84, which is large size. Then now we have 11 digits. To get our last digit, to make it 12, we press calculate, and it's generated for us. So we copy this and we paste it here. So for all my large sweaters, I'm gonna print a barcode, which is this one, and I hang it on all the large sizes. For my small size sweaters, I'm going to use this barcode number, and I attach it with all the small sweaters. I hope you understand something from my video. I decided to make this video because I had a hard time how to generate barcode on this website. And finally I learned, and I was hoping someone will learn from this as well. I hope you like this video. If you like it, like and share. Thank you for watching.